Okay, here's a vlog if you're having trouble on assignment 5A. Here's number 1. Okay, 1 over 3x equals negative 2. I hope you could get this one. Okay, so A, B, C, D. So I make 2 parentheses on each side. So A times B is equal to C times D. So A is 1, B is 1, C is negative 2, D is 3x. So 1 times 1 is 1, negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. Then I divide by negative 6, and that's your answer, negative 1/6. Okay, number 2 is not too hard. 4 over x plus 3 equals 5. So A times B, C times D. So A is 4, B is 1, C is 5, D is x plus 3. Okay. So 4 times 1 is 4. Over here you just distribute, you end up with 5x plus 15. And we're just going to subtract 15. It's negative 11 equals 5x. Then I divide by 5, and that can be our answer, negative 11 over 5. Okay, number 3. 3x minus 1 over x plus 2 equals 7 over 1. So I take A times B, C times D. Okay, so A is 3x minus 1, well B is 1, C is 7, and x plus 2. So I distribute my 1, that's going to be 3x minus 1. On the other side we're going to distribute the 7, that's 7x plus 14. Now it's a linear equation. Linear means you don't have x to the second, you just have only x's, okay? There's just b's and c's, there's no ax to the second. So pick one of the x's, get rid of them. Leave that minus 1, don't get rid of that, okay? Keep that there. You don't get rid of one whole side like you do when you have x to the second next. So minus 14. So that's negative 15 equals 4x. Then I divide by 4. Negative 15 over 4 is the answer. If you want to divide it and put it as a decimal, that's cool. Okay, then number 4, we have 2 over x plus 3 equals x minus 3 over 2. So A, B, C, and D. So A, B, C, D. So A is 2, B is 2, C is x minus 3, D is x plus 3. So on this side we know we have 4. On the other side we have to do the FOIL. X to x. Just find a place to do it. X times 3, negative 3 times x, and negative 3 times positive 3. So it's x second, 3x, negative 3x, that's a good thing, and that's negative 9. So you have x second minus 9. Now when you see x second, you know there's 2 answers, okay? And you're going to apply a 1 in front of that, okay? So that's a C term because it doesn't have an x. That's an A because it has x a second. That's a C. So with A's and C's, you just need to do this. You just need to get the x second by itself and do square root. So I add 9. 13 equals, if it's a 1, just put x to the second. There's no need to have the 1 there. Then I find the square root of the number 13. You can write your answer as irrational. Okay, you don't have to divide by all the perfect squares. In class, I'd have you do it, but so 3.61, negative 3.61. Okay, that's all I have.